Hi guys, a play on words. Festive spirit, an empty bottle of whiskey. Going to make it into a rubber band powered car. I just like the shape of it, triangular. So I've designed myself a bracket to fit on the bottom of it, which I need to separate from the bed. That fits in there at the other end. That one will fit on there. Wheels through the holes that I need to clear out. Wheels, yes, okay. Looking through my box of stuff, I've got some wheels and axles here. And those are rubberized. Those are knobbly. And those are hard plastic. I usually use CDs and DVDs, which have a bigger diameter. Smaller ones like these will accelerate easier, lower gear. And this is going to be fairly heavy, so we want a lower gear for the rubber band to be able to pull it. But it also means it won't go so far. Although if it builds up speed enough, it will freewheel because it'll have the mass keeping it moving. Anyway, I'll tidy these up, connect it together. I'll probably put some tape around it to hold it in place. Either that or glue it. Hot glue it. Yeah, I'll do something. And then we'll have a look to see if it runs. I've glued it on the back and the front temporarily. I say temporarily, the idea is this will go in recycling after we've done the videoing. Wrapped a rubber band around the front, that'll go over the back axle. If we do it the right way up, over the back axle, wind it round so it goes over itself, holds itself in place. And then down on the floor. Just give it a short run to check it works, and then we'll put the camera at the other end. Yeah, then we'll put the camera at the other end and see if we can hit the camera. If it doesn't break on its first run, let's point it just a little bit left. Okay. Well, that's not bad. I can wind it up a little bit more than that, and we'll see if we can do the full distance. Obviously, being a glass bottle, there's always the chance it will break if it hits something hard. The only thing it's going to hit here is wood, the skirting board and that, but it could still break. Success. So there we go. Rubber band powered Festive Spirit. A play on words.